Hey there, fellow points enthusiasts. Welcome back to another episode of our series on maximizing your rewards. Today, we're tackling a frustrating issue that many American Express cardholders face. Why aren't your Amex points showing up? If you've ever logged into your account expecting to see a bunch of points from that big purchase, only to find nothing, you're not alone. This can happen for several reasons, and in this video, we'll break it down step by step so you can get those points where they belong. First off, let's talk about the most common culprit: processing delays. When you make a purchase, it doesn't always show up instantly. Amex might take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days to post points, especially for larger transactions or international ones. So, before you panic, double-check the timeline on your statement. Another reason could be transaction eligibility. Not all purchases qualify for points. Things like cash advances, balance transfers, or even some fees might not earn rewards. Make sure your spending is on eligible categories, like travel, dining, or everyday purchases, as outlined in your card's terms. Then, there's the possibility of account issues. If your account isn't verified or if there's a hold due to suspicious activity, points might be delayed. Log in and review your account settings, and if you see any alerts, address them right away. Also, keep an eye out for technical glitches. Sometimes, Amex's system has temporary bugs that affect point tracking. Restarting your app or trying a different device can help. If you've redeemed points recently, there might be a redemption error. Double-check any recent redemptions or transfers to ensure they processed correctly. And don't forget about external factors, like partner programs. If you're earning points through airlines or hotels, their systems might be the hold-up. To fix these issues, start by contacting Amex customer service. They're usually super helpful and can investigate quickly. Keep records of your transactions, and if needed, file a dispute. Remember, staying proactive is key to keeping your rewards on track. By following these tips, you should have your points appearing in no time. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving advice. See you in the next one.